Growing strawberries in your garden is a great way to enjoy fresh and flavorful produce right at home. In this video, we will guide you on how to successfully grow strawberries from planting to harvest. First, it is important to know when the right time to plant strawberries is. In general, strawberries should be planted when the soil temperature reaches about 10 to 15 degrees Celsius in the spring. This is usually in March or early April depending on your location. Next, you will need a plot of land with good drainage. A raised bed with well-draining soil is also a good option for growing strawberries. For every plant, you will need a space of about 30 to 40 centimeters. This means that for a garden bed that is 3 meters long, you can plant 8 to 10 plants. When it comes to watering your strawberries, keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Aim for about 2.5 centimeters of water per week, depending on the weather. Water in the morning to avoid excess moisture on the leaves, which can lead to disease. In terms of harvesting, strawberries are typically ready to be picked in about 30 to 45 days after planting. You will know they are ready when the fruit turns completely red. Pick your strawberries when they are slightly soft to the touch. One of the most common problems when growing strawberries is pests and diseases. Birds, slugs, and snails are common pests that will eat the fruit if not protected. Common diseases include powdery mildew and verticillium wilt. To prevent these issues, use a net or other protective barrier for birds and apply a fungicide as needed. Strawberries thrive in a temperature range of 18 to 27 degrees Celsius, making them ideal for growing in most climates. They can be grown from spring to fall in temperate regions, and in winter in milder climates. Strawberries are great for eating fresh, adding to salads or in desserts like strawberry shortcake. They have a sweet and juicy flavor that is hard to beat. In conclusion, growing strawberries is not as daunting as it may seem. Follow the steps laid out in this video, and with proper care, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of delicious strawberries from your own garden.